Hello everyone, it's Mike from the FXPivotPoint.com. Hope today finds you well. Hope sure as hell you're not long this pair because it's getting battered and probably will continue to get battered until 2500, which I believe is the first stop, which we talked about probably 8 months ago. Now obviously long term I couldn't. It was all based on a chart. None of it was had any idea what was going on. We had no idea that the situation in Greece would spin out of control to where it is. But based on a chart, we predicted what was going on long term. Alright, as you can see, those that have watched this video, I'm sure, where's that little tool, are really tired of me saying this, but it's something to watch, something to add to your trading repertoire. The more tools you have, the better trader you are. Right here is the pivot point. Price never makes it even close. Not even close. Alright, it finds this as a resistance level, and then on down we go. And then we head back down. Here it is. Well, the system says sell it. And I did. I sure did. And back down. You can see S2 goes a little further than S2 and then bounces back up. Remember, markets are fractal in nature. I know you're looking at a long-term chart, you're going to be like, sure they are. Markets never go in one straight line unless, of course, you look at that. That, folks, is hideous. That is just plain ugly, isn't it? That is a serious, serious candle. And no stopping it. Alright, so that's the long term. And markets are fractal, and they're fractal. It just means that they don't, unless of course you're looking at this, but even this, that's very long term. And this will bounce in a matter of time. And look at this, we talked about the pound. Again, it never made it back here before down. It blew through some stops earlier today, and then that was it. You can see the where's the pound right here today. And if you were watching, I traded a little bit of this. It came up to the pivot point. I'm like, oh yeah, because we know when something moves to the pivot point what that means. And the system said sell, and I wasn't awake then, or I probably would have sold that. But it started to get close to that pivot point, and I was like, all right, time to sell. And then it comes back down, and then this, you can see there's a big fight going on in here. And why? Because below here were lots of stops, and as you can see what happened, you've got people adding to positions below because they know stops are here, and also these stops are getting gobbled up. And as you can see, the stops getting gobbled up, those buy orders get turned into sell orders, and whoop, 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 and who knows where she stops. She's going down a long way. The British pound is not doing so hot either. If you look at, not in terms of currency, but in terms of how the government and their monetary policy is, hell, what's on board with Greece. This whole money thing, maybe we just all suck. The world sucks at managing money, using leverage, doesn't it? Alright, so let's put this down. Let's go back. What do I want to show you? What did I want to show you? See how it came back here today? So it came back, and this little bounce was the 9, trading into the U.S. session. Where's my little tool? So we don't trade the start of the U.S. session. Wait till things to warm up, so to speak. And I'm not sure if this was Trichet or Bernanke speaking. Yeah, I don't care. But it was nice, and it moved right back here, right? So what did we have? Well, we had S1 on the day acting, and we had previous support. So you have those two things going for you, and you can see it tried to blow up through here. And once you see this candle, even on a 15-minute chart, you can go ahead and sell that. It's going back down. I thought I was going to go here, but I sold this. Sold him. Boop, boop. Again, not for a lot. Boy, there are days like this when you look at this, you're like, ooh, I wish I would have loaded up on this. But it's not how I trade. So I sold a little bit here and out for the day, I think with about 40. It's a decent day, and I didn't trade any of this. I really kicked myself because I was watching the market last night, and I thought, oh, it's right near the pivot point, take the sell. But I really thought we were going to get a bounce, and I'm sure millions of other traders thought the same thing, and they're sitting here watching this thinking the same thing. Where is the bounce? And God, I hope you're not trying to pick bottoms. As a trader, that's a way to lose your account. All right, what else do I want to show you? I think I wanted to show you something if we go back. Oh, maybe on the yen. Yeah, again here, look at the yen. And look, what am I going to show you? You already know this. Everyone who watches my videos knows what I'm going to say. Well, they're going to say my system works. 3 for 3 today on that. Yeah, but I could have told you that's no big news. The system works. What the big news is, not even the big news, but what I'm going to tell you is, what's this? That's right. That's the daily pivot point, and it makes it. It's got this here as previous resistance over here. So support, and now it's resistance, and down it went. And it doesn't look like it's coming back. I was bullish on this pair. Glad I'm not. Glad I got out of it. Glad I'm a day trader. Moving over here, we can see it tried to hold, and then yeah, yesterday. Good luck. Find a little support here at S1. Look where it finds support. Look where it's trying to find support right here as we create the video. Right at S1. Let's see what the pound's doing, if it's moved up any. Ooh, my goodness. Look at that, right to S3. I don't know why I was sitting here, I didn't sell that. Either way, you can see what's going on. Lots of stuff here. We've got this little retrace that the whomever's buying, I don't know why you'd buy this. I don't even if you were a bank. I mean, unless you're getting money from a government to buy this, you're a dumbass. Because it's just going to get splattered. No, that doesn't mean you go and you mortgage your house and sell this. That's not too bright. You use be using proper money management, and you just wait for the retraces and sell the retraces, sell the moves to begin the day near pivot points, and you're gonna be all right. All right, folks. Well, that's it for the day. I hope everyone's had a solid trading week. Remember, tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's a big Friday, the one you should be out of at least until at least 15 to 30 minutes on the other side of NFP. Alright, have a good day. Bye, everyone.